Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinkoz channel. In today's video I will show you how to display the full path in the File Explorer title bar of Windows 11. And now let's get started. To begin, open File Explorer. Once File Explorer is open, locate and click on the three dots situated at the top right corner of the window. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Options. This will open the Folder Options window. Within the Folder Options, navigate to the View tab. Scroll down the list of advanced settings until you find an option labeled Display the full path in the title bar. Check the box next to this option. Finally, click on Apply and then click on OK to save your changes. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.